selfies every single day, every single hour, every single minute, and every single second. So, ano nga ba talaga ang selfie? Let's find out dito lang sa number 1 trend-setting show, The iTrend. Ayon sa Oxford Dictionary, selfie is a noun that means a photograph that one has taken oneself, typically one taken with smartphone or webcam and uploaded to social media website. Because we are living in a modern world, sa isang click lang, ay upload din na sa Facebook, Twitter, at Instagram. Bakit nga ba tayo nagsiselfie? First is to capture a moment. Selfie while in school, office, and malls. Selfie while eating, studying, and other hobby. Selfie with your new dress, shoes, and bags. At kung ano-ano pa. Kaya nga marami ang nahuhumaling sa Instagram na mistulang isang online journal ng pangyayari sa iyong buhay. Aminin mo kung ginawa mo itong mga selfie poses na ito. Then tweet #guilty. Our first entry is the hospital or sick selfie. First is to broadcast that their health is getting better. Second is to get the attention and sympathy of other people. But what is annoying with the hospital selfie? How could you take a selfie if you're feeling weak and because of your illness? #get well soon to your soul. Sunod na entry ay ang disaster selfie. Filipinos are very resilient who still smile even the face of tragedy. But you selfie addicts must have heart for those victims of typhoon and accident. #be sensitive. Last but not the least is the funeral selfie. It is considered totally annoying and disrespectful para sa pamilya ng naulila. When it will be okay to take a funeral selfie? How about never? Though your purpose is to record memories of your loved ones, but maybe for other people, its highest form of insensitivity. #be considerate. Punta naman tayo sa mga kasabay na trend ng dahil sa selfie. Ika nga ng iba, every once in a great while, a song emerges to capture an era, a scene, a way of life. Ang pagsikat ng salitang selfie ay ang pagsikat rin ng kantang #selfie ng Chainsmokers, selfie song ng Jamich at Davy Langit, at i-selfie mo ni Riza May Dizem. Hindi lang yan, alam nyo ba na hindi lang mga ordinaryong mamamayan ang nahuhumaling sa pagkuha ng kani-kanilang mga selfie? Wala nang crazy pa sa Russian photographer na si Kirill Oreshkin. Hindi lang mahilig kumuha ng selfie ang binatilyong ito. He also liked to take them dangerously. This photographer likes to climb to the top of the world's tallest buildings, risking life and just to climb for the perfect shot. Matulad sa estudyanteng babae ng Rizal High School sa Pasig City na namatay matapos umanong mahulog sa hagdan habang nagsiselfie. Hindi matanggap ng pamilya na nagsabing dalagita, ang insidenteng ito ay nakakabahala pa rin. Bakit nga ba hanggang sa hagdanan ng eskwelahan ay kailangan pang mag-selfie? Is it because she studies in Pasig? Is she trying to fit in the Pasig hype? Alam niyo bang nangunguna ang Pilipinas sa buong mundo pagdating sa pagsiselfie? Parehong nangunguna ang syudad ng Makati at Pasig. Pasok din sa top 10 ang Cebu. Ganito na nga ba tayo kahumaling sa pagkuha ng selfie? Search of #selfie on Instagram returns almost 7 million photos. Is this a rise for narcissism or a cry for validation in the eyes of our peers? Or is it a platform for promoting positive self-image and self-worth? Hindi man mai-exhibit sa museo ang ating mga selfie, isa pa rin tong uri ng art. Ano nga ba ang implikasyon ng pagsiselfie sa ating sarili? Selfies express confidence. Developmentally, selfies make sense for children and teens. Sa totoo lang, wala namang masama sa pagsiselfie. Ginagamit itong paraan ng karamihan upang maibahagi ang kanilang sarili sa mundo. Self-captured images allow young adults and teens to express. But we also need to know that every time we upload a picture of ourselves online, we do need to be aware that our actions may have consequences. Remember, hashtag internet is forever. For whatever reason it is that you're taking your selfie, as long as it doesn't go against social values and internet responsibility, just do it. Post lang ng post, click lang ng click, upload lang ng upload. Hashtag selfie-selfie lang pag may time. Ang ating action for today, trendsetters, until our next trending topic. This is your very Vogue infotainer, Abigail Soriano.